Papa, happy 50th anniversary from Sydney, Australia. Sorry I couldn't be there to join you, but hopefully all your other friends and loved ones are there to celebrate this occasion. Thank you for all your love and care and for all your patience when we were growing up. I hope you keep staying active, keep traveling, and here's to the next 50 years of togetherness. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy golden anniversary, Lola and Lola. 50 years. That's a lot. You're old.
Happy anniversary, Mama and Papa. Hoping for more years together. Praying for good health. And thank you for taking care of us.
Congratulations, Mapa. Hoping for more years to come together.
Happy golden anniversary, Lola and Lola. 50 years is a lot. You said that. Love you.
Wow, 50 amazing years together. That's half a century of love, laughter, and putting up with each other's craziness.
Totoo po ba, Tito Henry, na happy wife, happy life? Kidding aside, we thank you for being such an inspiring example, not only to your children, pati sa amin ng mga pamangkin, and to your grandchildren. You've shown us that your love is built on faith, patience, and humor.
And sayang wala kami dyan to celebrate in person, but you know how special you are to us and how much we love you. So we raise our glasses from afar for a toast to both of you.
To your love that has stood the test of time.
And to many more joyful years ahead.
God bless you both. Cheers.
Hello, Henry and Lisa. Happy 50th anniversary. I'll see you there Thursday afternoon to attend the party.
Hi, Henry, Lisa. Happy 50th anniversary. I wish you more anniversaries to come and more happiness na pagsasama. O sige, ganun na lang. I'll see you on Thursday. Bye.
So Ate Elisa,
Kuya Henry, happy anniversary.
Congratulations on your 50th anniversary. To Tita Elisa and Tito Henry, forever is truly real. 50 years of marriage is an extraordinary feat. May your golden anniversary be a shining example of the beautiful life you both share.
From the Sarmani family, happy golden anniversary.
Ay, magandang araw sa iyo, Lisa. Hi, Lisa and Henry. Maligayang wedding anniversary sa inyong dalawa. 50 years, wow. Bihirang nakakaabot ng 50th wedding anniversary, and you are one of the lucky couples blessed by God. Kaya congratulations, sana umabot pa ng another 50 years. At hindi lang masayang pagsasama, kundi maging malusog kayo, magkaroon ng mahabang buhay na malulusog, healthy, at maraming blessings. Okay, once again, maligayang bati sa inyong wedding anniversary. Congratulations!
Happy 50th wedding anniversary, Kuya Henry and Ate Lisa. Sana more anniversaries to come, and God bless you more, and thank you very much sa suporta, and napakabuti niyong dalawa sa pamilya ko. Maraming salamat, and once again, happy 50th anniversary. Wow, bongga, 50 years, no?
Hi, Kuya Henry and Ate Lisa. Happy golden wedding anniversary. Kumusta kayo dyan? I'm Shirley and I'm the youngest sibling of Ate Lisa. Anong naituro sa akin ni Kuya Henry and Ate Lisa? I think yung pagkakaroon ng malasakit sa kapwa. So, kasi nakikita ko sa kanila yun na diba, matulungan sila, generous, maalalahanin sa kapwa, yun, ganun. Tapos, funniest memory, I think yung natsyempohan na bumibisita ako sa bahay nila, tapos kakaluto lang ni Kuya Henry. Let's say, nagluto siya ng liampo, tapos with matching monggo pa. Tapos makikita niya ako bigla na, oy, andun ako. So, ang sasabihin niya, ayun, papalakpak pa yun. Ayun, ang galing mo talagang tumiming, Shirley. Mamamantikaan na naman yung bibig mo. Ganyan. Pero sa akin naman, syempre, I'm so happy kasi nakachamba na naman ako, diba? Ng liempo at munggo. Pero namimiss ko yung mga luto nila kasi talaga namang napakasasarap. Yun. Kaya, ano pa ba? Anong madidescribe ko sa kanilang marriage in one word? I think balance. I say balance kasi nakita ko na balance lang sila. Nire-respeto nila yung bawat isa. Ayun. Sa lahat ng aspeto, nagbibigayan sila kumaga. So, talagang imagine 50 years nila. So, I wish you continued happiness, health, love, as you celebrate this incredible milestone. Happy 50th wedding anniversary.
Hello sa Kuya Henry. Happy 50th wedding anniversary. Ang galing naman ano, umabot talaga kayo ng 50th, no? Talagang for better or worse. So wishing you a good health for both of you. Para makapag-reunion pa ulit tayo. Siguro mga after 2 or 3 years pa. So again, happy 50th wedding anniversary. Bye!
Happy 50th anniversary!
God bless!
God bless!
Hi, Tito, Tita! Congratulations po sa 50th wedding anniversary niyo!
May God continue to bless your marriage po for the years to come pa po.
Congratulations!
Happy golden anniversary! Your marriage is a testament to the power of commitment and the beauty of true partnership. Thank you for showing us what love really means. We are so blessed to know you. Again, happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary, Tita Elisa and Tito Henry!
We're very grateful and thankful maging part ng anniversary nyo kahit malayo po tayo sa isa't isa. I prayed na mas pareho kayong healthy para mas marami po kayong memories to share with each other and with family. We miss you. Enjoy your special day po.
Hello, Lola Elisa and Lolo Henry. I am praying that you continue loving each other and being by each other's side. At the same time, katulad po ng sabi ni Mami, naway mas maging safe po kayo and healthy so that you can make more memories with one another. That is all po.
Si Tatay mag-message din po.
Lisa, Henry, happy anniversary ha. Sana lalo kayong munlag sa buhay niyo. At maging malakas ang inyong pangangatawan lagi.
Happy anniversary
again, Tita Elisa and Tito Henry. Thank you very much.
Ingat po palagi. We love you.
Ate Lisa, Kuya Henry, happy 50th anniversary.
Yes, ako magko-congratulate ako. Congratulations on your 50th wedding anniversary. Bakit congratulations? Kasi hindi naman lahat umaabot sa ganyan katagal na pagsasama bilang mag-asawa. Kaya congratulations Kuya Henry and Ate Lisa. And I pray to God na nawa bigyan niya pa kayo ng many more anniversaries to celebrate. And of course, syempre, samahan na ni Lord ng good health, and mas marami pang patience, respect, understanding sa isa't isa. And I pray to God na mas lalo niyang patatagin ang inyong pananampalataya sa Kanya dahil mahaba pa nga ang inyong journey dito sa mundo bilang mag-asawa. So once again, happy 50th wedding anniversary, Kuya Henry and Ate Lisa. Bye! We love you! Mwah!
Hi Ate Lisa, Kuya Henry, happy 50th anniversary po sa inyong mag-asawa. Nawa po nasa mabuti po kayong kalusugan at nasa maayos na kalagayan po sa mga oras na ito. Pagpalain po kayo ng Panginoon at bigyan po kayo ng mahabang buhay. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat bilang tinanggap niyo po ako ninyo bilang kaisa sa inyong pamilya. Masasabi ko po sa mag-asawa, sa inyong pong mag-asawa ay napakabait po ninyo, malalahanin at mapagmahal po kayo sa pamilya. Muli po, ako ay nagmabati sa inyong anniversary.
Hi Lisa and Henry, congratulations on your 50th wedding anniversary. Enjoy, stay healthy, and God bless.
Hello po. Para po sa mga hindi nakakakilala sa akin, ako po si LJ, pamangkin po ni Tita Lisa and Tita Henry. So, happy 50th wedding anniversary. I don't have that much story to tell, but what I know is that you've become a great blessing to my life. So, I pray for your good health and enjoy this day.
This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Happy 50th wedding anniversary kay Henry and Elisa Arcega. Ang wish ko ay lalo pang tumatag ang inyong pagsasama. Mas marami pang mga happy memories na maganap. At syempre, stay as sweet as you are. Diba? Isipin mo, nakarating na. Isang ano na kayo? Isang siglo na yata ang tawag doon. 50 years magkasama kayo. And still going strong. Happy wedding anniversary. Love you. Ito po si Dr. J, ang pinakamagandang counselor ng Manila. Thank you.
Hello Kuya Henry, Ate Lisa, congrats, happy anniversary. Ang inyong golden, sana masundan pa ng diamond, tapos platinum. Yun, mahabang-mahaba na yun. All with the graces of God. Yun talaga pag nasa Lord. Mahaba ang pagmamahal. Trust and love. Anniversary ulit.
Happy 50th golden wedding anniversary sa inyo pare, Maring Lisa. Wow! 50 years of staying stronger together. Best wishes. God bless.
Hello, Henry and Elisa. I'm wishing you a happy 50th wedding anniversary. May God continue to bless you with love and laughter and more adventure. May your bond continue to get strong every day. Happy anniversary. This is me, your friend Aurora.
Hi there, Tita Lisa and Tito Henry. Hope you're both doing well. And congratulations on your 50th golden wedding anniversary. And I remember when I was a child, Tita Lisa used to tell me when we are going at the supermarket. She used to tell me that kapag may nabasa ka dyan, ikaw yung papabayad ko. Iiwan kita dito. And it really changed me because it helped me to become more disciplined. And I also remember when I was a child, Tito Henry used to stare at me hard because I was so naughty when I was a child. I was super Tupper Rati, and that's there really changed me and taught me to become more aware of my surroundings. And one thing that I say for both of you is you're both a wonderful person and such a blessing to us, and wish you both a wonderful and joyful and long healthy life.
Hello! Happy anniversary sa inyo, Tita Lisa, Tito Henry. I wish you all the best. Sana humaba pa ang inyong pagsasama. Of course, that is expected. You guys are one of the couple that I admired since then, nung nasa Pilipinas pa po ako. Nakita ko kung gaano kayo supportive sa isa't isa, and pinatuloy niyo ako sa bahay niyo noon. Libre kain, libre kwento, libre nood ng TV while Heidi and I waiting for patients sa maliit na dental office namin noon. And maraming salamat po sa inyo sa pagpapatuloy niyo sa akin noon. And Tita Lisa, isa ka sa naging supporter ko ever since, and maraming salamat sa inyo. I wish you all the best po. Okay? Congratulations on your anniversary.
Hi, Tito
happy
and
anniversary!
Hi, Tito and Tita. Happy anniversary. Salamat sa suporta and stay in good health all the time. Thank you. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary again. More travels pa, okay? Alright, bye!
Bye!
Hi, kumusta po kayong lahat dyan? Ito po si Justone Larcon. Happy 50th wedding anniversary kay Mr. Henry and Ma'am Lisa Arcega. Dyan po sa Florida, USA. Of course, kaibigan po yan ng ating kaibigan din si Ate Merly and Kuya Efren. Ingat kayo palagi, long life and good health and more blessings sa inyong pagkasama. God bless you. Happy wedding anniversary.
Happy 50th anniversary to Ren and Lisa. May your love continue to shine brightly. Your love for each other is a great example of commitment for everybody around. Congratulations!
Hi, Tito and Tita. Happy golden anniversary. Thank you for being Lola and Lolo to Alex and Dorothy.
Happy anniversary. We love you.
Happy anniversary.
Let's go. Happy anniversary, Tito, Tita. What a true blessing it is to celebrate this golden milestone with you. Thank you po for everything, for your love, for your guidance, and inspiration you've shared, and for the beautiful example you've set for us, for all of us through the years. May God continue to bless you both with good health, joy, and many more happy years together. Congratulations! Happy anniversary! We love you both!
Happy 50th wedding anniversary, Lisa and Henry! Yay! Congratulations on this golden millstone. 50 years of love, laughter, and shared memories is a beautiful testament to the strength of your bond and the life you've built together. Your marriage is a shining example of commitment, patience, and enduring friendship. Wishing you continued joy, good health, and many more years of happiness. It's a blessing to witness your journey and to call you a friend. Happy anniversary, happy anniversary, happy anniversary, happy anniversary. Yay! Good luck, guys. Bye-bye.
Go.
Happy 50th anniversary, Tito and Tita Lisa.